Hey Nash, what should we make?
Make me some barbecue chicken bacon jalapeno poppers.
Yeah, that's not a thing.
Well, then make it a thing.
All right, let's make some barbecue chicken bacon jalapeno poppers. Today, we're making chicken bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. There's probably a better name for those, but I had an idea because I've seen like jalapeno poppers where they cut them in half, do some cream cheese and then a piece of meat and then wrap that in bacon. I was like, I think we can do better. So without further ado, let's go. So we have some chicken breasts that I pounded out real thin and cut into pieces that I think are gonna work. So first thing we're gonna do is just hit this with a little bit of a brown sugar bourbon barbecue rub. So then let's do this. Let's take a piece of bacon. Oh, let's do this. And then let's do this. Then we're gonna take one of our jalapenos here. We have some softened cream cheese. So let's just go ahead and get this piping, there we go. All right. This might work. This might actually work. Okay, so we got this guy. And then we're gonna roll him up into this chicken thing. That looks good. It's not perfect, but it looks good. And let's take one piece of bacon like this, cover the top, and then we sort of start here and just wrap. And we wrap, and we wrap. So then we keep wrapping and wrapping. I guess that'll work. Sure, there we go. There's our first one. So then I'm gonna set this aside, and we do our next one. We blew a gasket here. This one's not gonna be pretty, oh well. So there we have our chicken bacon jalapeno poppers. Hit them with a little bit more of this rub. Now we're ready to take these out to the grill. We got our grill set up for 2-zone cooking, but just like our meatloaf, we got the center burners turned off, the outside burners turned on, so we could put everything in the middle for some indirect cooking. We have this guy right here. My smoker's been on the fritz, well, since before I started the channel. This is like a smoker box, so you put some wood chips. These have been soaking in water for, I don't know, a couple hours, but I think 30 minutes is the magic number, or at least 30 minutes. So this is gonna help give it that smoky flavor. So we're just gonna throw this guy over there. Then we're gonna put our grill mat in the middle. We're gonna let these guys cook until they hit around 120, and then we'll go ahead and start brushing them with some barbecue sauce, and then we'll pull them at 160 because we're looking for 165. So for now, we close this and we wait. All right, once your internal temp reaches about 120, we can start to baste. Oh, let me put the lid back on. We'll baste every 10 or so minutes until we hit 160. As soon as our guys reach 160 degrees, we can go ahead and pull them. And there we go. Look at that. And let them rest.
And there we have our chicken bacon jalapeno poppers.
Time for a bite. Cheers. Oh yeah, it's creamy, it's cheesy, it's sweet and barbecuey. The bacon's crisp, the chicken's cooked perfectly. I think we just made jalapeno poppers into an entree. So I would say definitely give this a try. It doesn't require a whole lot more work than just like a bacon wrapped one, but it does definitely add a lot more to it, and freaking delicious. Let's see what Nash thinks. What we got for you, bud? A little bacon chicken jalapeno popper. Here you go. What do you think, bud? Nash approves, I approve. Highly, highly recommend this one. Go ahead and throw it into your barbecue rotation for the summer. It's freaking delicious, and it looks cool, and it's kind of different. So especially if you have people over, you got some guests, you're making dinner for someone. It's cool. It looks cool. It's delicious. It tastes as good as it looks. So highly recommend that. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, subscribe, and share the show, I'd really appreciate it. Help us out a lot. And then if you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there is anything you want me to cook, you want Nash and I to taste, drop that in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, and send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.